and gentlemen, boys and girls, here's the greatest substitute in the world.
For your nouns, so you can now switch them up. I am a pronoun, and you can use me now to replace any noun that you have written down. I substitute, it's what I do, so you don't have to repeat. Yo, use a pronoun instead of your noun, only if your readers in the know-how. And when they all make the switch, so your writing's not repetitive. He, she, her, his, they, them, their, it's I, you, me, we, your, our, my, G's. Now you know your pronoun. Sing the chorus with me. I am a pronoun, and you can use me now to replace any noun that you have written down. I substitute, it's what I do, so you don't have to repeat. I am a pronoun, and you can use me now to replace any noun that you have written down. I substitute, it's what I do, so you don't have to repeat.